wake up every morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun's hot. I wish I had the time just to kill the day, and I wish I had a doctor every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's high, sometimes you're in. So I jump back in a where I learn to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. You see, here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by, pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine, sunshine coming down, 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 down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Saw my friend Bobby said, "What's up, man? Do you got some work or a 20 to win?" I opened up my hand, he said, "I'm glad to see they can take away my job, but not my friends, you see. Here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down." I wanna go where the summer never ends, if I could turn on the beach there with all my friends. The babe's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion, the ocean. And the girl's so sweet, so kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing, and every little song breathes another release. And of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Happy Father's Day, Dad and Papa.